how you can save your work in PDF. Yes. So so we are going to see how you can save your work, in PDF. In PDF format, it means it is the format which can be read by other software which read a document. So let me try an example of. Let me try this for drawing this rectangle. An example, this is rectangle. I'm going to save this rectangle in PDF format. So first I will go on the file. I will go on the file. Then after file, I will use plot. After file, I will use plot. So after plot, there are plot model table which will open. So this is where I will set all setting that I need on my papers. So for the another things I will deal with is the printer or plotter. This is for printer or plotter. Here there is name of printer which is no one. So for the no one, I will scroll down and choose. So we normally have the format of W and DW and D and G. So I need to change this DW and G to PDF. It means here which is no one, I will choose DW G2 to PDF. Yes. So after choosing this, I will go there for the paper size. I think you know different types of paper. And also for the paper, we have the paper of ANSI, like American Standard, and we have also ISO, like international standard. So, but here we have Arch, we have ANSI, or above we have ISO. So I think you know that we like to use ISO. So because we need to print our work on A4 paper, we will choose ISO A4. ISO A4 because we need to print this on ISO A4. If you want to plot on like A1, we can choose A1, and also A0. There is here A0. So every size of paper is there. So but here I will choose ISO A4. I think you are together. Yes. So after choosing ISO A4, another thing I will choose is here. So I will choose this center the plot. Center the plot. It means it will help me to put this drawing or this object of mine on the center of paper. If you don't choose the center the plot, your drawing it can go on the another side without being on the center. Another thing you have to see here, plot scale. You have to check this fit to paper. So if you don't choose this fit to paper, you can find your work which is on the different pages. But if you choose this and you take fit to paper, it will help you to take your object and fit to one page. Yes. Centimeter. Where I want to use centimeter? There is no way we can use centimeter here in plotting. So we are in plotting, we are not in dimensioning. That is the thing you can deal with while you are dimensioning. Yes, but here we are in plotting. Here there is a millimeter, but it is the size of paper. So after choosing fit to paper, so another thing you can choose here is this drawing orientation. Yes. So let us continue. Here there is drawing orientation. It means if you want to that your paper it will come on the portrait and landscape. I think you know the difference between portrait and the landscape mode. Do you know the difference? Uh, For in the portrait, so as you see here, as you see, look here. So this paper, when I take this paper like this one, this is the portrait mode. This is the portrait mode. For the this long side, it will become vertically. This long side it will be vertically. For the short side it will be in horizontally. So if you put your drawing like this one, this is portrait. But if you put in this mode, it will be in landscape. Si byose? Niba ushaka gushyira gupurintinga ibintu byawe bikaza bihagaze gutya. Nibiza bihagaze azaba ari portrait. Sibyo? Kandi drawing yanyu ushobora kuyishyiraho ihagaze ntizeho. Sibyo? Ubwo niba ari binini rero uzahitamo iki? Landscape kugira ngo bize bikwirweho neza. Sibyo? That is the difference. So here you will choose if it is a portrait or it is a landscape according to the size of your drawing. So after that you will make preview. Preview is to see how your drawing will look like. Ninkanda kuri preview bizanyereka ko ninkora print uko bizaza bimeze ku rupapuro rwanjye. Birumvikana? Ninkanda hano kuri preview, sibyo? Ubwo ku rupapuro rwanjye ninkora print nuko bizaza bimeze. Birumvikana? Iyo umaze gukanda preview, so if you finish to press preview, and you see how your drawing will look like. If you want to go back, you press enter. If you press enter, it will also go back on your setting. If you see that your work is correct, you press OK. OK. After pressing OK, you will see how to press enter. So you will see where to put the name of your drawing. Yes. So here you will put the name of your drawing. If it is the floor plan, you write floor plan. Yes. And here it is where you choose the location you want to save your work in PDF. You want to save here in document, or you want to save here in desktop. You will choose where you want. So after that you will press save. After press save, it also will show you the preview how your work will look like. So it is as you see what I've done in PDF.